Melissa, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo is good health, lalo na sa dalawang anak mo. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. See you soon.
Greetings from Manila, your uncle here. Wishing you all the best, Isang. Enjoy life, have fun. I love what you're doing. Exploring, vacation, bonding. As long as you're healthy, that's all I can wish for you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Ate Isa, happy birthday. Hope to visit you soon there in the UK.
Happy birthday, Tita! I'm wishing you all the best and I hope that today was filled with happiness, love, joy, and good health for you. Because you deserve it today. No, not just today. You deserve it always. So take care and God bless po!
Hi Marisa, I would like to wish you happy birthday. It was a surprise because no one knows that we're gonna take videos for you to meet you on your special birthday. And all I wish for you is to have a very much fulfilling life with your kids and John. Continue to show our love and affection to one another and towards us. And thank you so much for always being there and always keeping in touch with us, giving us some gifts every time you're gonna be visiting Philippines. And I highly appreciate those things coming from you and John. And all the best for you. And also have a blast. And again, happy birthday, Isa. We love you so much from me and my family. All the best. Goodbye.
Ayun, what else could I wish for you? You're glowing and it's very evident na you're happy with Kuya John, Mercy, and the kids. So my wish for you is good health as always and a more successful career. Hopefully you get to come back here very soon. Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Isa. Mag-ingat kayo parate and more blessing to come. And see you next year. I love you.
Happy birthday to Isang. Happy birthday to you. I love you. I love you. I love you, teacher. Have songs like this.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Wishing you po the happiest birthday. And I'm hoping your day will be as bright and as special as you are. Sending po lots of hugs and hope to see you soon po ulit. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Isang. God bless, love you. Ingat lagi diyan. Ito si Nanay sa Tito Joey, babati rin sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Isang. Ingat ka dyan. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Isang. Ingatan yung buong pamilya mo at gala po more. Mag-ipon ka hanggang kaya mo. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Isang. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Tita Isang. Take care. Love you.
Happy birthday, Marisa. Siguro naman, ilang araw pa lang nawala kayo dito, ha? I remember your birthday. Just, I'm here praying for your family, sa lahat sa inyo na nandyan sa UK. Stay safe, healthy, yung mga bata. Always watch out for them. And good health for you. Bawasan mo yung saksak kasi baka ma-over ka dyan, ha? Ikaw din. Baka mahirapan ka in the long run. Just pray hard and God will provide you always, your family, and every one of you out there sa UK. Thank you for everything sa inyong lahat. Kay Jan, mga bata sa inyo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Marisa. Wishing you a good day filled with love, laughter, and happiness. May this year brings you and your family good health and success. Enjoy your birthday and be forever young. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Marisa. Wishing you all the best in life. And stay young and beautiful. Happy birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Ate Marisa.
Happy birthday, Isa.
Birthday po.
Birthday. Wow, happy birthday, Ate Lisa.
Happy birthday, ate. We love you.
We love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Ate
Marisa.
Marisa.